As promised, this is part 2 of how to stop a bad moment from ruining your day. I gave you the first 3 steps in part 1, so here are the next 3 steps. 1. Indulge in some self-care. Do something that makes you happy and helps you to relax. It could be having a relaxing bath, getting a pampering massage, going for a bike ride, going for a walk, or listening to your favorite music. This will help you to shift your mindset and put things in perspective. One bad moment is not the end of the world. And although one not so good experience has happened, there are still so many good experiences you can enjoy. 2. Hug someone you love. Physical connection can bring about some comfort when you're having a really lousy day or going through grief and deep sadness. The human touch you experience from hugging a friend or your parent or brother or sister or even your pet has powerful healing energy that can help you to recover faster from a bad day and in times of grief. Oxytocin is a chemical in our bodies that scientists sometimes call the cuddle hormone. This is because its levels rise when we hug, touch, or sit close to someone else. Oxytocin is associated with happiness and less stress. 3. Learn to embrace uncertainty. We can't control everything that happens to us because no one knows what the future holds. So things will not always go the way we want. That's why it's important for you to learn to embrace uncertainty and to also realize that the blow from bad moments don't last. So if you experience a bad moment, see it as a sign that something better is on the way. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Please watch part 1 if you've not seen it yet. Take good care of you and see you next week.